How to turn on or turn off auto factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings button. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on secure lock settings. Then tap on the PIN or password and tap on continued. After that, tap on auto factory reset. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And as it here said, if you turn this on after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.